This is the second video of this section, Libvirt SELinuxSupport. Previously we looked at virtualization in SE Linux. In this video we'll assess the Libvirt architecture. The Libvirt project offers a virtualization abstraction layer, through which administrators can manage virtual machines without direct knowledge of or expertise in the underlying virtualization platform. To use the SVirt approach, Libvirt can be built with SELinuxSupport. When this is the case, and the guests are marked as being governed through SE Linux, then the SVirt domains and types are used or enforced by Libvirt. The Libvirt code will also perform the category selection to enforce guest isolation, and will ensure that the image files are assigned the right label. Before we move ahead, let's understand the difference between shared and dedicated resources. The different labels for images allow different use cases. The image that's used to host the main operating system is generally labelled with SVirt image T and is assigned the same pair of categories as the guest runtime itself. This image is writable by the guest. When an image is selected that needs to be writable for multiple guests, then Libvirt can opt not to assign any categories to the file. Without categories, MCS constraints don't apply. Images that need to be mounted read-only for a guest are assigned the virt content T type. If they are dedicated, then categories can be assigned as well. For shared read access, no categories need to be assigned. Note that these label differences mainly apply to virtualization technologies and not container technologies. Now let's have a look at the Libvirt architecture. So, the Libvirt project has a number of clients that interact with the Libvirt daemon. This daemon is responsible for managing the local hypervisor software, and is even able to manage remote hypervisors. The latter functionality is often used for proprietary hypervisors that offer the necessary APIs to manage the virtual resources on the host. This high-level architecture is displayed in the diagram on your screen. Due to the cross-platform and cross-hypervisor nature of the Libvirt project, SVirt is a good match. Instead of hypervisor-specific domains, generic domains are used to ensure the security of the environment. In this video, we went through the overview and architecture of Libvirt. In the next video, we'll learn to secure Docker containers.